Hello, welcome to week 5 of our condensed section of EDU 612 or 702. So this week will be spent exploring a number of different topics. First, you'll be wrapping up your social studies unit and actually submitting your entire completed unit, including a web quest, a web-based activity, which we'll discuss. And then you'll also be exploring the concept of digital citizenship and what it means for students to become citizens in our democratic society, responsible digital citizens, and also what schools might be able to do to address the issues that are facing our students with online safety. Teachers really need to be able to have the technological resources to provide students relevant and rigorous learning opportunities, and we want to incorporate technology, but that of course comes with a responsibility to embark responsible digital citizenship values upon our students. And so we're going to be exploring some of that today. So I have the Common Sense Media link for you to start exploring some aspects of digital citizenship, as well as in some of our readings under Module 5. So you'll also be exploring, in addition to the digital citizenship components, some other approaches for differentiating instruction using technology with middle school students. So those will be our readings for the week. And then you'll kind of synthesize your digital citizenship readings in our discussion forum for the week. What I'd like you to do is explore some of these lessons that I have for you through Common Sense Media. There's lessons on each of these components of digital citizenship, and I'd like you to think about and make a discussion post about how you might incorporate some of these lessons either into your current unit that you're developing or in your future instruction in the classroom to help students stay safe and responsible while they're navigating online forums. Next, you'll be submitting through Moodle your entire completed 10-unit social studies documents. So one Word document with a compilation of your 10 units of instruction. And some things that you want to check on before you submit is that you've targeted social studies standards as well as the arts and the ISTE technology standards, that each of your lessons has a measurable learning objective, that your lessons incorporate a constructivist approach, that you have student-centered lessons in a majority of your units. We want to vary our pedagogical approaches, but I like a majority of your lessons to be student-centered, reflecting some of that constructivist or inquiry or project-based learning where students are at the center of the activity and the teacher is the facilitator in the process. Make sure you've incorporated essential questions into each lesson, that you have a plan for your assessment, you've incorporated your technology and any assistive technology that might apply. So you'll submit your entire lesson plan, your planned out unit to Moodle. Your reflections will come after you teach your unit, and you can do that at the end of the course in task stream. Right now, I don't expect you to have taught all of your lessons. I'll just be looking at the overall plan for your unit. Finally, you'll be exploring something called a web quest. One of your 10 lessons should include a link to an online web-based inquiry activity similar to a web quest. So I'd like you to start exploring some web quest platforms and start planning out an inquiry activity that students can complete in an online format that will supplement your 10 lesson unit. What I'd like you to do is create a video of yourself introducing this online unit to your students. So you'll record yourself using your swivel or any other device that you might have, and I'd like to see the video just of you introducing your WebQuest online lesson to your class. So you might include any pre-teaching concepts that you might have to cover, any vocabulary that will be important, and you might want to show students how to navigate through your WebQuest. You could use screencast like I'm doing here for you with this video, so you can show students where to click and how to get through the different resources, or it can be a video, just a video of yourself or a voice recording of what you might say to students and how you might introduce this web-based activity. Like I said, your WebQuest link should be part of one of your 10 lessons that you submit in your whole unit. So you'll submit just the video of yourself introducing your WebQuest here in this portion, and then your entire unit with your web quest as one of the lessons in the unit link here under this assignment. All right, enjoy the week, and I look forward to seeing your lesson plan.